So today, let's talk about the Mi Automatic Soap Dispenser. This device was recently launched in India, and during this pandemic time, what better to test out than an automatic soap dispenser? So there are two boxes. One includes the soap dispenser unit and the other box has a flask with a liquid soap. The flask can hold around 300 milliliters of liquid soap. Sadly, there are no batteries included with the unit. The dispenser unit uses 4 AAA batteries for operation. You simply pop open the lid, align the 4 batteries, close the lid, and you are good to go. Now to attach the liquid soap, take off the small lid and just screw it to the top of the dispenser unit. There is a small Mi logo at the top which is touch sensitive and can be used to either turn off or turn on the sensor on the unit. Now that the device is all set up, you just have to bring your hand close to the sensor and it does what it is meant to do. Dispenses soap automatically whenever you bring your hand below it. The response time is 0.25 seconds, which is actually quite quick. I have been using it for a day now and I have placed it at a common wash basin and I kind of like it. The amount of soap it gives out is enough for a single wash, but if your hands are more dirty, you can always take more. The 300 milliliters of liquid soap should be good for around 375 times of use. The unit is a little big compared to the soap dispensers, but that is due to the infrared sensor. I have noticed that you might have to clean the nozzle of the dispenser once in a while, as there is sometimes a little bit of soap left behind. This might pile up after being used for an extended period of time. It is good to see an on and off switch at the top, which can be used to either clean the dispenser, change the liquid soap, or just turn off the device. In terms of the 4 batteries included, the motor doing all the work for the dispenser is silent and efficient, so the battery should easily last you up to 8 to 9 months based on your usage. In my opinion, this soap dispenser is actually quite convenient than I thought it would be, and during this time, it is actually quite great. So in conclusion, this device does what it says. It dispenses soap whenever it should without any fail. So that is it for today. Here is everything you need to know about this device. If you stuck around till the end, I really hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow.